Hello, today I'm going to show you awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this karaoke machine by JAMELO. Ooh, it's a portable Bluetooth speaker with wireless microphone. It's karaoke system for adults, kids, and so on with LED party light. It supports TF card, USB, aux input for home party, for Halloween, for Christmas, meetings, and of course, if you have an instrument like in guitar, you can use this device here as a speaker for it. We have here HD stereo sound quality. The karaoke machine has a built-in 6.5 inch 30-watt output power subwoofer. The volume is loud enough with the technology of separating high and low pitch, and the sound is clear. The perfect reverb makes our voice sounds like a singer star. Oh yeah. And multiple play modes, karaoke machine, JAMELO karaoke speaker with 2 microphones that is equipped with Bluetooth version 5.0 chip for fast connection to most Bluetooth devices. It also supports a TF card, U-disc, aux input for connecting to other non-Bluetooth devices in our home and at the scene. 2 mics, double the fun. 2 microphones are a must for duets and party moments. This Bluetooth karaoke machine is equipped with 1 wired cardioid pickup microphone and 1 wireless singing microphone. This, of course, as you can see, it requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included, which can meet more needs and brings more fun to us at the party time. And we have a colorful flashing light emit diode lights. The colorful LED lights creates pleasant and romantic karaoke and party vibe for us. With this karaoke system, we can enjoy a colorful and cheerful party. This is really cool for Halloween or Christmas, party and meetings, and for 365 days of your life if you like party with karaoke. And it's portable and durable. This portable Bluetooth speaker has a hard-wearing shell. Its suitable size and lightweight design. This is ideal for karaoke system for DJ, for home KTV, dance exercises, small outdoor parties, Christmas family parties, etc. We enjoy our favorite music wherever we go with this device. Karaoke is really cool. Her clipped compound of Japanese kara for empty and okesutora for orchestra is a type of interactive entertainment usually offered in clubs and bars, where people sing along to record music using a microphone. The music is an instrumental version of a well-known popular song. Lyrics are typically displayed on a video screen along with a moving symbol, changing color of music video images to guide us as the singer. In Chinese-speaking countries and regions such as mainland China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Singapore, a karaoke box is called a KTV. The global karaoke market has been estimated to be worth nearly over $10 billion, and it began in 1916. From 1960, the American television network NBC carried a karaoke-like series, Sing Along with Midge, features host Midge Miller, and a chorus, which superimposed the lyrics to the song near the bottom of the TV screen for home audience participation. And then it goes really nice app. 1970s, the karaoke style machine was developed in various places in Japan. Even before the invention of the first machines, the word karaoke had long been used in Japan's entertainment industry to refer to the use of instrumental recording as backing tracks in situations when a live band could not be arranged for a singer. In 1971, the nightclub musician Daisuke Inu independently invented his own karaoke machine in the city of Kobe. This biggest contribution was understanding the difficult amateurs had in singing pop songs, recording his own version of popular songs in keys that made them easier to casual singers. You see, there's a big history behind this really cool sport and fun karaoke singing. And the JAMELO karaoke machine here, get this smart again. Because we can dock Bluetooth with it, that means your smartphone, tablet, or something else, you can dock with it. You can pair it, and then you can play a recorded song. Or you use the old school aux, micro SD card, USB, and on top we have colorful lights for a better atmosphere, like a party atmosphere. We have a 6.5-inch subwoofer. This is a high-definition stereo sound quality device. 30-watt output power and playtime of more than 4 hours. We can recharge the device by using a Type-C cable system. That means if you have an AC adapter for your smartphone, for example, you can reload this, or you can use to reload this machine. We have Bluetooth audio streaming. And it's easy to dock and pair a phone, tablet, laptop, or personal computer with this. And then we have TF card, USB disk, aux in, and so on. This all brings this really cool karaoke machine by JAMELO to us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.
So, jetzt hören wir uns mal den Sound an, ne? Ja. Jetzt geht die Party ab. Ich hab mich extra voll cool aufgemotzt, oder? So, ab geht's. Mikrofon an und dann los. Hallo. Hey, was geht ab? Hier hört ihr jetzt, was abgeht. Yeah. Jetzt machen wir ein bisschen Echo dazu. Ist das schwer? Nee. Echo. Kein Echo. Echo. Was geht ab mit dem Echo? Echo. Noch mehr Echo. Heute am Start hier. Echo im Dreierpark. Und jetzt gehen wir in die Vorderung. Das komplette Programm heute. Echo.